Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the font size on Google Chrome. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, you guys have to simply go back to the top right corner of three dots, and here you have to simply just scroll down until you find an option which is settings. So you guys have to simply open up settings. So after opening up settings, here you guys have to simply go to this section which is appearance in the top left panel. So in the top left panel, you guys have to simply select appearance, and in the appearance, you guys have to just simply scroll down. So after successfully scrolling down, you guys will be able to see the font size. So here you guys will be able to see this is font size. You guys can adjust according to your needs, and it has several options like very small, very large, and here you guys will be able to see very small, medium, large, or very large. So you guys can adjust according to your needs. So after tapping selecting any of the size, your size will be changed. If the size doesn't affect the any of the specific website size, then you guys have to simply go to this customize font section, and you guys can adjust the minimum font size from here. Because in some of the websites, by just changing the size from above option which we have used earlier, that option doesn't work. Then in this option will work here. If any of the website there is the font size doesn't affect, you guys can change the font size there. With the help of this minimum font size option, you guys can change the slider to change the size of text. By just increasing the size of the minimum font size, your font size of the specific website will be increased. And I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.